In this next posture, we stand with the feet shoulder width and a half. Again, bend the knees, bring the pelvis forward, relax the chest, keep your arms in front of your chest. And it's as if we're shooting a bow. So we're going to keep the hands lined up in front of the chest, bend the knees, sink slightly, and breathe in, push out, and pull back. And look at the back of the outstretched hand. Hold it for a few seconds and change. Then we do the same thing on the other side. Sink, breathe in, push out, pull back, look at the back of the hand. And we're going to do this 8 times. So that counts as 1. Also, don't lift your elbow. The elbows must always be down. When doing these exercises, we must relax, but concentrate. They mustn't be floppy. There's a little bit of muscle required to start with, but not too much, just to keep the whole structure firm. I'll show you what we don't want. This has no structure. Michelle will now demonstrate the bow and arrow posture, but deliberately making some mistakes, and then I will correct them. First problem, feet are too wide. They must be parallel. Second problem, locking the elbow and lifting the elbow. Okay? Strictly speaking, this hand should come on the outside. Also, turning the body too much. Sink the chest, bring the arms in front of the body, but don't turn into it, and don't lean to one side. Straighten up your body a little bit, and then the 2 hands must line up from here to here. One more. This hand should come on the outside. Relax and sink the chest a little bit more. Yes, like that, good. And then the hand must be pulled back. It mustn't be like this. Both hands. Okay, good.